Hey, what's up guys, it's Umair here. So in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to print a program that prints 50. For example, 50 plus 50 is equals to 100. So if you if you click on this video just to try to print this program with me, so yeah, continue to watching this video till the end. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna start by importing the java.util.scanner. So import java.util.scanner. So why are we importing the scanner? Because the program consists of asking the user to enter two numbers. So if the user enters 50 and 50, so by using the Java format method, it detects if we are adding 50 and 50, and then it's gonna print the sum for us. All right. So now we're gonna do scanner console is equals to new scanner. Let's name it, like for example, scan is equals to new scanner system.in. Alright, now let's print system.out.printf. We're gonna write enter number. Okay, once we're done doing that, we're gonna write we're gonna write int num1 is equals to scanner dot next int. So this will let us enter a new number, and then we're gonna write system.out.println, enter a second number, and then we're gonna write int num2 is equals to scanner dot next int. Alright, now once we're done doing that, now here comes the fun part. So basically we're gonna have to add these two numbers. So in order to do that, wait a minute, what is happening? What is happening? Wait a minute. Okay, yeah, good. So int num2 is equals to scanner dot next int. Now what we're gonna write the sum. So we're gonna write int sum is equals to num1 plus num2. Now once we're done doing that, we're gonna write system.out.printf. So why are we writing printf? Well, the printf basically means that we're using the Java format method. But before that, let me explain what is the Java format method. So basically the Java format method, it converts like the integer, like for example the int, it becomes like %d. And if you want char, for example, it's gonna become %c. And then like if you want the float or something, %f, and etc. So it basically it's gonna convert it into the format. So which is gonna help us, to like for the Java to detect it like automatically the number. So like let's start writing it. So we're gonna write so we're gonna write %d. Why are we writing %d? Because it's integer. So 50 plus 50. So we want to write that, right? So we're gonna write plus the plus sign, obviously. Okay, now we're gonna do plus %d. So it's basically gonna print 50 plus 50. But no, like for it like to detect like automatically, like it's not gonna detect it like magically. We have to define something so that Java knows that the number that the user entered, it's 50. So for that, we're gonna do like first we need to write the sum. So 50 plus 50 is equals, so which means 100. But now for it to detect, we're gonna write num1 comma num2. Alright, so now guys, let's try to run this program, shall we? Okay, so okay, maximize. So now let's write enter a number. For example, we're gonna write 50. Now 50. Now let's see if the result is gonna give us 50 plus 50 is equals to 100. So let's click on it, and as you can see, it gave 50 plus 50 100. but I forgot to add the plus, like plus here, plus equal sign. Alright, so the plus equal sign, and then we're gonna do plus sum. Okay, now let's retry the program. 50 and 50, and as you can see, it just printed 50 and 50 plus 50, 100. So it basically works with any number you would like. So 100 plus 100, 200 is basically gonna add them together and print the sum for you by using the simple Java format method. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. So I hope you like this simple fun Java program that I made. And yeah, so make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And that was it for today's video. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.